Hi, this is Annette from needlepointers.com, and I'm machine quilting a top, and I thought this would be the perfect opportunity to give you one of my quick tips. When machine quilting within the body of a quilt, always begin with the bobbin thread on the top. This will help to avoid tangling and nesting on the back, and it's so simple to do. Just line up your needle where you want to begin quilting, hold on to the top thread, turn your hand wheel down and then up again, tug on the top thread and you'll see the bottom thread comes to the top. Reposition your needle where you want to begin quilting and start machine quilting. I hope that you enjoyed this quilting tip. Please like, share, and comment. If watching this video on YouTube, subscribe to our channel and follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter. To follow us, just click the iCard or the link in the description below. Also visit our website, needlepointers.com, for more quilting tips, information, and free projects.